So let's continue with these everyday prompting formulas. Next up is a client and customer support formula. So I want you to act as a customer support assistant who has these specific characteristics. How would you respond to this specific text as a representative of our type of company? So example one, I want you to act as a customer support assistant who is analytical. How would you respond to a customer who has experienced a bug while using our software as a representative for our tech startup? Next example is, I want you to act as a customer support assistant who embodies confidence and empathy. How would you assist a customer with a billing issue as a representative for our financial services company? These are great frameworks that you could even go in and add more details about your company, but let's paste in one of these examples. So this is a great response. It used our framework and it answered our question in the way that we wanted to with confidence and empathy. It addressed this specific question and outlined things in a great way that we could send this off to one of our customers. Now let's talk about generating analogies. So the formula for this is, I'm trying to better understand the concept of, please help me understand this concept by creating a practical and easy to understand analogy. Example one, I'm trying to better understand the concept of photosynthesis. Please help me to better understand this concept by creating a practical and easy to understand analogy. The next one is, I would like to better understand the concept of search engine optimization. So let's go ahead and pop that into ChatGPT and see what it comes up with. Here is its response. Search engine optimization can be compared to a library where books are arranged and labeled in a way that it makes it easy for people to find what they're looking for. Just like a library, search engines like Google have billions of pages of content that you need to be organized and indexed in a way that make it easy for users to find relevant information. This is honestly a great analogy, so you can use this for any kind of complicated things in your life that you just want some more context on and just to see it from a different perspective. Lastly for this section is bulk copy creation. So our formula is, please come up with a specific number of content, the type of content is, it's for this specific platform, and it includes these references. So example number one, please come up with 8 email newsletters for my investment site that includes industry reports and data analysis. And then we have our next one, please come up with 4 video scripts for a marketing YouTube channel that includes expert opinions and insights on digital market trends. So let's grab one of these examples and see what we get. So we have, please come up with 8 newsletters for my investment site that includes industry reports and data analysis. And what we have here are 8 options to go after that are going to include what we want. So let's go ahead and go with number 2, industry-specific newsletter. Focus on a particular industry such as the healthcare field or technology. This newsletter should include insights on market trends, company updates, and relevant news. So what we would do is grab this and paste it into ChatGPT, and then it's going to actually write that newsletter for this specific topic and industry. Now let's move on to creating effective prompt revisions.